guys, this is Devin with LivBay Lash. I've been lashing for a little over 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, click the subscription box down below. And in today's video, we'll be talking about 3 things that you should do if you're having retention issues. So the first thing that you're going to want to check if your client is having retention issues is your glue. Every glue has a different dry time. So if you're using a glue that dries a little bit too fast, or a glue that dries a little bit too slow, then it can affect retention. So you want to try different glues and figure out which one works best for you and how fast or slow that you work, depending on if you're a beginner or if you're an experienced lash artist. And the second thing that you want to check if you're having retention issues is if you're priming their lashes correctly. So it's really important to have a clean base before you do a full set, before you do a fill. So you want to make sure that you're priming either using saline or you can use an alcohol-based primer. Either way, whether you're using saline or an alcohol-based primer, you want to make sure that the lashes are clean and you have a nice base, so that the extensions that you're placing have a tight grip and can hold on to the natural lash. And the third thing that you want to check if you're having retention issues is your client's aftercare. Aftercare is so important. You want to make sure that they're washing their lashes every single day, and you also want to make sure that they're washing their lashes with a lash bath. It's super important that they're washing with the right thing so that they can get as clean as possible. So you want to remind them to wash them regularly and to not use any soap with oil in the soap. You want to make sure that they're using a lash bath that's specifically made for lash extensions. And for me personally, I also tell my clients to make sure that they're washing their lashes with something soft. So maybe like a fluffy eyeshadow brush, something very delicate. I try to tell them not to wash their lashes with the spoolie brush because when extensions are wet, the spoolie can kind of tug on the extensions. So I just let them know to use like an eyeshadow brush or something with soft bristles. All right, that's all that we have for today's video. Question for you: do you have any retention tips that you'd like to share in the comments below? Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.